Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and I just wanted to give a big shout out to the Adidas Cloudfoam running shoes. You guys, these are super cute. I get compliments on them all the time, and they're really lightweight and comfortable. They're perfect for any of my gym classes, perfect for running around town. I will say that this is maybe not my favorite go-to running shoe because I just have weak arches and I really need a lot of support if I'm going to be doing really high impact stuff. So this is probably not my choice for that. But as far as like day-to-day, everyday shoe, this is my go-to. I get a ton of compliments. They're really cute. They come in so many different colors and different fabrics. I have the white and black ones, and they kind of almost have a gray feel to them and match pretty much anything that you're gonna wear, almost like take on your outfit, because it does have that like lighter and darker fabric interwoven, so it just kind of looks great with everything. It's a really good neutral sporty shoe. It has that like memory cloud foam. I think they call it a sock. So when you put it on, it really does feel like you're just wearing slippers or you're just wearing a sock around your foot. So it's super comfortable. I live in a hotter climate, and this is something that's breathable. You get a lot of airflow, and it's not going to make your feet feel super hot and sweaty. So I love that. These are a great shoe, and I highly encourage you guys to check them out. If you order on Amazon, of course, if you don't like them, you got that A to Z guarantee. So, you know, just buy with confidence and go ahead. If you're thinking about it, put it in your cart and try it out. I think it's gonna work out for you.